Hey everyone, did you know that the moon has its very own Grand Canyons? Yep, you heard that right. Scientists have discovered two massive canyons on the far side of the moon, named Vallis Schrödinger and Vallis Planck. These lunar wonders are comparable in size to Earth's Grand Canyon. Vallis Schrödinger is a whopping 168 miles long and 1.7 miles deep, while Vallis Planck stretches 174 miles long and dives 2.2 miles deep. But how did these enormous canyons form? New research suggests that around 3.8 billion years ago, an asteroid or comet struck the moon with mind-blowing force. The energy released was estimated to be 1,200 to 2,200 times greater than the planned nuclear excavation energy for a second Panama Canal. That's insane. The impact created the Schrödinger Basin, which is nearly 200 miles wide. Debris from this colossal event then carved out the canyons through secondary impacts, traveling at speeds of around 2,237 miles per hour. To put it into perspective, the energy during canyon formation was about 700 times greater than all the nuclear tests by the US, USSR, and China combined. Studying these lunar canyons can offer us unprecedented insights into Earth's early history. You see, Earth's impact craters have mostly been erased by geological processes over time. The moon, on the other hand, has preserved its ancient scars. Excitingly, NASA's Artemis III mission aims to land humans near this area in late 2026. Imagine the discoveries waiting to be made. The asymmetric distribution of debris from the Schrödinger impact means rocks collected by astronauts could reveal secrets about the moon's earliest history. And that's not all. Team Draper's robotic lander is scheduled to touch down in the Schrödinger Basin in 2026 to study tectonic activity. Collecting samples from the canyon rims could provide us access to material from up to 1.9 miles beneath the lunar surface. So, space lovers, keep your eyes on the skies. The moon's far side is about to reveal its ancient mysteries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.